When I was 9 years old, my mom and dad owned a restaurant in Bangkok. I learned how to cook Pad Thai noodle with my mom. My name Pat. My business is Pad Thai Takeaway and Restaurant in Melton. I own this restaurant with my wife, Kung. Kung said, okay, we would like to have better life. So be quite confident, if we own the restaurant, we will champion. The first thing is quality of the food. The second thing is relationship with the customer. So now customer know us for a long time and we have cooking class to teach everything in the menu. We don't hide any secret. When you cook here and you taste here, it's the same. So it's a reward from us to give the knowledge for the Australian people to cook Thai food. I want to make the happiness first. And we have the garden here and look like Thailand. A lot of herb here. When Kung want to cook something, she have to run to take something and back to the kitchen and put fresh. It's fresh from the garden. It's organic. My daughter born 2010 in Australia, 8 years old. She start cooking. I say, too quick. No, I learned from my mom because in my blood, she say in my blood.